Hi guys, welcome to Daddy and Emily. Come with us to RAF Cosford Airshow. Gonna be spending the day seeing some military planes.
Over there.
See some over there. We just drove through the military base to get here, so stay tuned.
They're coming down now. Okay. My mum thought I'm going the other way. Look at that one.
The one is right by where we were.
Isn't everybody over there? Oh, they left him.
Hi guys, so what have we just done? We took part in a shooting competition. This is Emily's targets. She smashed it. She got a medal, yeah, and a certificate because we scored 40 points in the competition, didn't we? And got a medal. Yeah.
pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Could we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars?
This is the cockpit and the interior of a grounded Chinook. This actual plane that we're in here was used in the Falklands War, believe it or not. It's just an amazing piece of history.
Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Put your hands together for Miss Laurie Brown and salute to Vera Lynn. Fabulous, fabulous. If you want to get a picture with Laurie in the uniform, just come down and see her at the side. And she got some postcards if you'd like one of those. Now, we're going to bring on a very special.
We'll meet again. Don't know when, but I know we'll meet again.
Our day at Cosford. If you enjoyed the video, click the thumbs up, turn the notifications on, click that subscribe button to keep updated with us, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.